And just for fun, I've asked Bard to write me a paragraph about the differences between Bard and ChatGPT. Bard and ChatGPT are both large language models that are trained on massive amounts of text data. However, there are some key differences between the two models, so according to Bard, Bard is a newer model that was developed by Google AI. It's based on the transformer model, which is a type of neural network that is well suited for processing text data. Changeability is an older model that was developed by OpenAI. It's based on the GPT-3 model, which is another type of neural network that is also well suited for processing text data. One of the main differences between more than ChatGPT is their size. Bard is a larger model than ChatGPT, which means that it has more parameters and can learn more data. This makes borrowing more accurate than ChatGPT, especially when it comes to generating text that is consistent with the context of the conversation. Okay, so that is an interesting claim by Bard. Another difference between Bard and ChatGPT is their ability to access information from the real world. Bard is able to access information from the real world through Google Search, which means that they can provide more up-to-date information. Compared to ChatGPT overall, Bard is a newer and more powerful model than ChatGPT. It's able to generate more up-to-date texts, and it's able to access information from the real world through Google Search. Okay, so I definitely agree with the ability to access real-world information through Google Search. I think that is where Bard is going to have a leg up against ChatGPT, but when it comes to being able to generate text that is more consistent with the context of that conversation, again, time will only tell where the differences lie. But right now I would say ChatGPT is a little bit better at that, and that is obviously because ChatGPT is a little bit more matured compared to Bard. But definitely good insights here from this paragraph. And as you can see here, Bard itself tells you that you're able to get more real-world information quicker using Bard compared to ChatGPT. Right now, Bard is only available for trusted testers, that's why it's not available for everyone. So I do think once Bard is available for the wider population, then we'll really be able to test the output quality from Bard compared to ChatGPT, because then you'll be able to experiment and use both of these tools for different use cases to see which one comes out on top. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more exciting tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.